Your dining room isn't just a place to eat, it's a vibrant hub where memories are made, conversations flow effortlessly, and style meets functionality in the most harmonious way. It serves as a backdrop for life's most cherished moments, whether that's hosting lively dinner parties filled with laughter or enjoying a serene, quiet meal with a loved one. The right design can dramatically transform your dining space into a modern masterpiece that reflects your personal taste while catering to your practical needs. In this engaging video, we'll delve into a variety of the best modern dining room design and decorating ideas that can help you create an environment that's not only inviting but also radiates style. From choosing the perfect color palette and furniture selection to innovative lighting options and decorative accessories, we'll cover everything you need to know to elevate your dining room to the next level. Discover how to balance aesthetics with functionality by considering multifunctional furniture pieces that suit both casual family meals and sophisticated gatherings. Learn about the latest trends, such as incorporating natural elements, bold patterns, and textures that can enhance your dining experience. We'll also guide you through the process of selecting the right dining table, chairs, and decor that will complement your overall theme and layout. Get ready to turn your dining area into a space that not only feeds the body but also nourishes the soul. Join us in this design journey, and let's create a dining room that you and your guests will love to gather in for years to come. The dining table is not just a piece of furniture, it is the centerpiece and heart of your dining space, where family and friends gather to share meals and create memories. When choosing a dining table, it's essential to opt for a sleek design that features clean lines. Consider materials like glass, which offers a light and airy feel, marble, providing a touch of opulence and durability, or wood, which adds warmth and character, especially if it has a minimalist finish that ensures a modern aesthetic. Furthermore, the shape of the table is also crucial. Round tables promote intimacy and ease of conversation, while rectangular tables can accommodate more diners, making them ideal for larger gatherings. The finish of the table can dramatically affect the ambience of your space as well. A glossy lacquer finish can enhance a contemporary look, while a matte finish brings a more understated elegance. Pair your table with stylish chairs that harmonize with your overall aesthetic. If your decor leans towards sophistication, consider upholstered chairs that offer comfort and elegance, perhaps featuring rich fabrics and subtle colors that complement your chosen palette. Alternatively, if your style veers towards the avant-garde, opt for sculptural chairs that serve as statement pieces, adding an artistic flair to your dining area. Don't forget the importance of a beautiful centerpiece. This could be a striking vase, decorative bowls, or seasonal elements that not only enhance the visual appeal but also reflect your personal style. Remember, the right dining table and chairs can transform your dining space into a stylish and inviting area for all occasions. Modern dining rooms thrive on a neutral color palette. Think crisp whites, elegant grays, and warm beiges. These shades not only create a refined and timeless look, but also serve as a versatile backdrop that enhances the overall ambience of the space. These hues allow your furniture and decor to stand out, drawing the eye to the unique details of each piece. To add depth and visual interest to a neutral space, consider integrating a variety of textured elements. Natural materials such as wood can bring warmth and organic beauty, while marble can lend an air of luxury and sophistication. Soft fabric accents, such as plush cushions or elegant table linens, can introduce comfort and coziness into the dining experience. Incorporating metallics, like brushed gold or sleek chrome, can also elevate the look, adding a modern edge to the classic palette. Art pieces or decorative items in contrasting colors or with striking patterns can serve as focal points, breaking the monotony while still adhering to the sophisticated theme. Empty walls are a missed opportunity. Transform your dining room into a captivating space with a statement piece of modern artwork, which can serve as the stunning focal point that draws the eye and sparks conversation. Consider bold abstract canvases, vibrant landscapes, or striking portraits to infuse personality and color into your decor. Moreover, mirrors play a crucial role in enhancing your environment. They not only reflect light but can also create an illusion of depth, making a room feel more expansive than it actually is. A beautifully framed mirror can be a functional art piece that brightens your dining experience. If you lean towards a minimalist aesthetic, explore the elegance of sculptural wall decor. Three-dimensional pieces crafted from wood, metal, or ceramic can add texture and interest without overwhelming the space. Additionally, sleek, floating shelves can serve both decorative and practical purposes. They provide a place to display cherished items, from family photos to unique collectibles, while keeping your walls uncluttered. A well-dressed table is not just a feast for the palate, it enhances the entire dining experience, turning an ordinary meal into a memorable occasion. Begin by selecting a tablecloth or runner that sets the tone for your gathering. Opt for rich fabrics such as velvet or silk for a luxurious feel, or choose crisp linens for a sophisticated yet understated look. Next, focus on dinnerware. A mix of textures works wonders. Pair ceramic plates with ornate glassware to add depth. Consider using charger plates as a foundational layer to elevate your presentation, and don't shy away from unusual shapes and colors that can act as conversation starters. When it comes to napkins, linen is a timeless choice that exudes elegance. Fold them creatively, like a fan or in a pocket style, and tie them with twine or ribbon to introduce a rustic touch that contrasts beautifully with the elegance of the rest of your tablescape. To bring a punch of glamour, incorporate metallic accents. This could be in the form of gold or silver flatware, candle holders, or decorative accents. These elements sparkle under candlelight, drawing attention and admiration. Incorporating a sleek sideboard or built-in shelving unit into your dining area or living space is an excellent way to blend functionality with style. These storage solutions provide ample space for organizing dinnerware, glassware, and serving essentials, ensuring that everything you need is easily accessible when hosting gatherings or family meals. When selecting a sideboard, opt for designs that feature clean lines and an understated profile, as these will fit seamlessly into contemporary interiors. A matte finish or a natural wood grain can enhance the modern appeal while adding warmth to your area. To elevate the visual interest, consider styling the surface of the sideboard with a curated collection of decor items. For instance, utilize a few elegant vases filled with seasonal flowers to bring a touch of nature indoors. Layer in a selection of decorative books, perhaps stacked horizontally and vertically, to create depth and encourage a casual yet sophisticated atmosphere. In addition, consider integrating a few carefully chosen decor pieces, such as artisan candles, sculptural objects, or framed photographs, to personalize the display further. A touch of greenery, like small potted plants or succulents, can also enhance the aesthetic while contributing to a fresh, inviting environment. Optimize the lighting around your stylish storage solution to highlight its features. Using pendant lights or decorative lamps can draw attention to your beautifully styled sideboard, turning it not only into a practical storage area but also a focal point of the room that sparks conversation and admiration from guests. Incorporating greenery into your dining area is not only a stylish choice, but also a way to invigorate the atmosphere with a sense of tranquility and freshness. A large potted plant, such as a fiddle leaf fig or a snake plant, can serve as a stunning focal point, effortlessly drawing the eye and adding height to the room. These plants not only purify the air, but also bring a touch of the outdoors inside, making the space feel more alive. Additionally, a chic vase filled with seasonal flowers adds a bright splash of color and a delightful fragrance that can lift the mood during meals. Choose flowers that complement your decor. Think elegant peonies for a sophisticated touch or cheerful sunflowers for a casual vibe. Changing the flowers with the seasons keeps the dining area feeling fresh and vibrant, reflecting the natural beauty of the world outside. Pairing these elements with natural materials like wooden tabletops or woven placemats can further enhance the inviting feel of the space. Not only does this approach create a more appealing aesthetic, but it also fosters a sense of well-being and connection to nature that can transform your dining experience into something truly special. Consider adding candles or subtle lighting that highlights the greenery and floral arrangements, creating a warm and welcoming ambience for family gatherings or dinner parties. Your dining room should be a reflection of your style, sophisticated, inviting, and effortlessly modern. With the right furniture, lighting, and decor choices, you can create a space that's perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. Which of these design ideas is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more interior design inspiration.